Hey everybody, Andrew Zimmern here. You ready for a little culinary boot camp? Pack your knives, let's go. I have a bowl of water. Now I have a bowl of acidulated water because I've put acid in it. Lemon is ideal for this so the artichokes don't turn color by oxidizing. I also like to apply a little cut lemon to my artichokes when I do this. These are fresh globe artichokes. I love using, in later spring you get the small little baby artichokes. Those are great. All you do is strip off some of the outer leaves just because it makes it easier to cut. Use a nice stroke on your knife, cut them in half again. And at this point, I do rub them with my lemon. I'll do 2 of these, cut them in half again, rub them with lemon on the cut sides. And all you gotta do is take a spoon and remove the choke, those little threads in there. Some people like to do a paring knife. I find that a spoon is sort of ideal for getting in there all the way to the back and preserving all the rest of the artichoke. So all I want to do is push the spoon forward and just lift out those fibrous hairs, and there you have a beautiful artichoke, both the heart and the tender parts of the leaves. I think with a knife, you cut into other parts of the artichoke and you remove pieces you don't want. I mean, that seems pretty perfect to me. I'm kind of an artichoke nut. I could eat them at almost every meal.